A certain number of trucks were required to transport 60 tons of steel wire from factory. However, it was found that each truck could take zero point 0.5 tons of cargo less. Another 4 trucks were needed. How many trucks were initially planned to be used? Okay. Now let's assume that X tons cargo was originally supposed to be transported in each truck. X tons cargo originally transported in each truck. Now let's assume the original number of trucks as Y. So therefore, we can get a very simple equation that xy is equal to 60. But now it was realized that each truck could take only zero point 0.5 tons of cargo less. So X was expected, but it could take only X minus zero point 0.5 tons cargo. And hence number of trucks required becomes Y plus 4. Now the product of these two will also be equal to 60 because eventually 60 tons was transported. So this becomes our equation. So now let's try to solve this. If we multiply this, it becomes xy plus 4x minus zero point 0.5y minus 2 is equal to 60. Now xy is equal to 60. So therefore we can cancel it out directly. Now we want how many trucks were initially planned to be used. That means we want to find the value of y. So therefore, from the first equation, we'll get the value of x in terms of y. So x is equal to 60 upon y. So let's substitute that. So we have here 4 into 60 upon y minus zero point 0.5y. So I'll write it down as y upon 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now if I multiply throughout by 2y, okay, so 2y into 4 into 60, that is 240, minus y by 2 into 2y minus 2 into 2y is equal to 0. So 2 gets cancelled out. Okay. Now we also had y over here, so y gets cancelled out. So here we have 2 into 240, that is 480. So 240 into 2, we can write it down as 480 directly. So 480 minus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. So let's rearrange the terms. So we have here y square plus 4y minus 480 is equal to 0. So the factors come out to be y plus 24 into y minus 20 is equal to 0. So therefore y is equal to minus 24 or y is equal to 20. Now the number of trucks cannot be negative. So therefore y equal to minus 24 is not possible. The answer will be y equal to 20. Hence the answer will be option C.